it's Anya from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making 3-ingredient Apricot Bliss balls. These are really quick and easy to make. They're great for your lunchbox. They're loaded with iron, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm adding 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of granola. So you could use raw granola or toasted, just your favorite type is fine. Or in Australia, we also call it muesli, so totally up to you which is your favorite. If it's loaded with fruit or nuts, any of those combinations are perfect. And the final ingredient is 1.5 cups of dried apricots. So the ones I'm using today are Turkish apricots. Nice and plump and delicious. And then give this a process for a good minute or 2. Okay, so this is now processed and ready to roll. So if you find that your balls aren't rolling very well, just wet your hands a little bit, keep a bowl of water on hand, and that will help with the rolling process. But the longer you process this, the natural oils will actually release from the coconut, as well as any nuts that you have in your granola. So as you can see, these are super quick and easy to make, and they're full of nutrients and really good for you. Great for your lunchbox or a quick snack. Remember, you can print the recipe off my website at CookingWithPlants.com, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Time to taste.